Hello everyone, welcome to this short lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can access the full list of command available in Microsoft Word. You can actually do that by using a built-in macro interface. So let's access the full list of command available in Microsoft Word. Very useful. Now go to the View tab, click on the View tab on your ribbon, and then come to Macro, and then click on View Macros, and then this dialog box should open up for you. And then you simply have to select word command, and then here you want to search for list. You want to search for list command. We have it. This is list command. You want to search for it, and then you click on run. So click on run, and then we have it say current keyboard settings, and then we want to say okay, and then we have it. So you can see this is the full list of all the commands that we have in Microsoft Word that you can actually execute with your keyboard. This is useful if you want to create a custom shortcut and all of that in macro, and you want to learn how you can actually get things done quickly. We have about 11 pages. If you look at my status bar, about 11 pages containing the list of commands that we have in Microsoft Word. Actually easy. So just go to your view command, and then macro, view macro, and then type list. Here you should be able to see the list command, and then you simply run it, and then click on OK. That will actually give it to you, and it's actually wonderful. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.